If you are a trainer and a speaker and you're listening to me, you have come to the right place. How do you find it? The journey of becoming a trainer or speaker in the first 5 years? I assume it will be very tough if you are working on your own. You don't have a support, you don't have a buddy, you don't have a company, you don't have anyone supporting you. It will be very, very tough. And most of the trainers I know will quit the industry in the first 1 year, because they don't receive support. They just do not know now. They just do not know how to get started. So getting a certification as a trainer is only the beginning. But when you enter the journey as a trainer, you will be meeting a lot of other challenges. Like, how do you find your customers? What is your personal branding? How do people know you? What are you good for? What is your niche area? How do you do your marketing? How do you even design the right proposal to get the buy-in from your buyer? How do you get the client to believe in you the first time they see you? How do you do a winning presentation? There are so many questions that you need to answer as a new trainer, and I didn't have the answers. In the beginning of my first 5 years, I did everything wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I really encourage you from my heart to get a mentor or get a coach to coach you in this journey, so that you can start earning your first 5,000 ringgit or your first $5,000. And if you are serious about becoming a great trainer, a good trainer, or a good speaker, you need to get a mentor and a coach, so that you can be doing the right things, not wasting your time and not burning your dollars in the wrong advertising. Because I did all that. I did spend a lot of money on the wrong advertising, on the wrong promotion, and I ended nowhere. So ladies and gentlemen, mistakes are very expensive, and mistakes are time wasting. Today I want to speak to you about, do you work alone or do you work with some associates? It will be a brilliant idea if you can park under a training provider, or you have some experienced trainers guiding you, mentoring you, coaching you, because they will shorten your learning curve. The mentor and the coach will help you to know which are the right direction and which are the wrong direction. And you will be guided and you will be on the right track sooner. Don't be like me, because I ended up spending too long in the industry, having unguided in the beginning. Today I learned it is wiser and it is easier to work in a team. Have a group to support you, to grow with you, and iron sharpens iron. Have a group of people like-minded like you who can support you, who can create opportunity for you to learn and grow, and to do this training together. And you can have people who do different topics, but most importantly, collaborate with people who have what you don't have. Supposingly, I am looking for a cultural change trainer. I know I'm not the guy for my client, because I have not done cultural change training before. It will be wiser for me to find another trainer who is already an expert in this area, and to invite the trainer to speak to my client. And this is what I do all the time. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are open to collaboration, talk to me and I see how I can collaborate with you. If you are a marketer, I open to meet you. If you are a trainer and you want to learn more, I am willing to coach you. If you are a training provider, you can also market our training programs. I am open to collaborate with anyone who have the same vision and who like what we do. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Jackson Ng, and I'm the author of You Are a Masterpiece, and I'm also the vendor for Train the Trainer certification in Malaysia.